The PDF Reader extension is a general purpose PDF or portable document format viewer based on Mozilla's PDF JavaScript library. This extension uses that library to display the PDF files in your browser. It can be used as a replacement for the default PDF viewer. We're going to go through this viewer and some of the functionality it has. So to get started, we'll add it to our browser, which is going to be Chrome. We simply select to add it to our browser and then add extension. After the extension has been added, it then takes us to the automatic extension information page, including a PDF FAQ, giving more information and advice about how the extension works. We can start using the extension, and we can make this more helpful by pinning it to the browser. So we simply left click on the jigsaw icon and then left click on the pin. Now the extension shows inside the browser toolbar. If we wish to enable this extension for other devices such as incognito mode, all we simply do is left click on the jigsaw, left click on the three dots and select Manage Extension. The options panel opens up inside our browser, and then you can see here the ability to allow an incognito. You can turn this on and off as required. When we right click on the extension icon, we can then see the ability to open it, as well as options for the theme, rendering options, the ability to support embedded PDFs, and then the options panel for the extension itself. Here you can see inside this options panel, it gives us the ability to set some custom styles inside the PDF viewer. So if we go back to the FAQ here, we can see an example. So let's go ahead and just copy this one so we've got it here. And this will set the background of the body to red, which we've gone ahead and now saved. So if we click here, now it opens. Welcome to the PDF Reader. To open a local PDF file, drop it into this view or use the upload button to open the file picker and then select from there, basically. So we'll go ahead and start by dragging and dropping a PDF into the view, which we can do here. So first of all, you'll notice the background color is indeed red, because that's what we've set inside the options panel. We can change this to a hex value, such as black. Save the option, and now you can see it saves black without having to refresh the page. So let's do an off-white color. Perfect. Here we can see the PDF Reader, and here we can see our example PDF opened with a document inside. This additional customization gives us lots of options inside this viewer. So as you can see, you have the ability to highlight as well as set the thickness. So we can highlight here, for example, or we can highlight some of the text as seen here. And we can also highlight other areas. You can turn off or turn it on, as well as change colors of the different highlights. So different users in theory could use different elements. Here you have the ability to write notes and change the size, as well as the text color on the broad spectrum of all the different colors available. Pressing delete also deletes that, and you also have the undo option as well, in case you need to undo anything you've done. Next to this, the ability to add images, which once we click, it will prompt us to open and add images from there. The option to print, the option to save the updated PDF, and then the other options here as well as all the tools we see as standard. And you simply open another PDF file by pressing the icon again, so you can have more than one PDF file open at a time. we go ahead and right click, we can also see some themes. So this is the dark theme, that was the OS theme, and that's the light theme. If we go ahead and remove our customization, we can click reset, in fact, and you have to double click to reset. So let's open it again, drag and drop our PDF inside. Here is the reset options, the different themes, as well as different rendering options. So you can show thumbnails in the sidebar. You can remove the annotation. For example, enable forms, you can disable that. And it gives you a whole host of options inside here to tailor this exactly as you want it to be read or used, giving you much more ability over the PDF files that you're opening inside your browser with the current default browser view.